Just because your skin is fair does not mean it's fine. Most of you are just bleaching and calling it glowing. Let me plug you to the 5 best body cream for fair skin that is going to have your skin popping.
Come to the space.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Today's video is a highly requested video. Someone asked me to make a video on non-bleaching body lotions for fair skin. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my top 5 body lotions for fair skin. If you're naturally fair, or you just want to maintain your fair skin without bleaching your skin or damaging your skin, then this 5 body creams is what you need in your skincare routine. They will effortlessly brighten, tone, even out your skin and give you that flawless glowing complexion. If you're ready to have that fair skin popping, let's dive right into it. Now, the first body lotion I have for you guys, if you're a fair skin tone that really wants to maintain a flawless, effortlessly glowing skin, is this KOEC Slime Lux Vitamin C Turmeric and Squalene Moisturize and Brighten Lotion. And this is the lotion right here. And this is the body lotion right here. This is a turmeric and vitamin C brightening lotion. It's one of the perfect body lotions for fair skin. This is one of the body lotions I've been recommending for fair skin tone recently, and that is simply because of how amazing it is. The feel on the skin is amazing. It's a non-bleaching cream. In fact, it's a Korean-made product. It's going to help moisturize, nourish, and glow your fair skin. If you really want your fair skin to be popping and look all bright and glowy, then this is one body lotion I'm going to recommend you use. It's one of the best body lotions that is going to enhance your skin tone. See, if you were once fair, or maybe your skin just got darker because you work a lot under the sun, then this particular KOEC Vitamin C Turmeric Lotion is going to help you brighten up and tone your skin. Is going to give you that even toned complexion. One of the reasons I love this particular body lotion is the fact that it helps to smoothen your skin, soften your skin, and give you that nice plump skin. Like when you're using this, your skin is going to appear and look all fresh and fairer. Like you're going to love it. It's not a bleaching cream. It's not going to bleach your skin or cause you dark knuckles and green veins. It's a body lotion that when you're using it, you're going to have peace of mind. Like, this is an amazing body lotion. You guys, Korean products is one of the best out there, and that is because of the way it gives this glassy glow, and that is exactly what you're going to be expecting with this lotion. It works amazingly well and is one of my favorite buys. Like, I've bought this twice now and I really love the effect. I'm hoping to do a review soon. It's perfect for all skin types and complexion, so it's going to help enhance your fair skin and make you look all gorgeous and glowing. Moving on, the next or second lotion I have for you guys is this Vaseline Healthy Bright Gluta Heart Serum Burst Lotion, the Dewy Radiance for bright and glowy skin. And this is what the lotion looks like. I know a lot of you are familiar with the tube one. Well, it now comes in a lotion form, and I love this particular body lotion. The fragrance alone is amazing. So is the first one I talked about. The fragrance of this body lotion is going to have you wanting to apply your body lotion on a day-to-day basis. It's so moisturizing on the skin, and it has a nice and perfect texture. It's going to absorb in deeply into your skin. In fact, when you apply this on your skin, it's going to feel like you are just rubbing in water into your skin. It's just amazing and it's so appealing. Like, if you're someone that loves a nice smelling lotion, then this particular Vaseline Dewy Radiance might be what you need. It's going to help enhance your fair skin and brighten up your complexion. It's not a quick action cream. It's just a maintenance lotion. So if you're looking to maintain your fair skin, glow your skin, and have your fair complexion popping, then this particular body lotion is going to do that for you. This is one body lotion I've been using recently, and guys, like, I'm so in love with this. You guys know that I'm a fan of the Vaseline Even Tone body lotion. But when I saw this, I just decided to give it a try. And honestly speaking, I'm in love. It contains amazing ingredients like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, Gluta glow that is going to help brighten up your complexion, tone your skin, even out your skin. And I love the fact that whenever I apply this, it doesn't feel sticky on the skin. With this, you're not going to be getting that sticky feel. It's an amazing body lotion and it's perfect for people with ashy or dry skin. If you're a fair skin person, that whenever you apply your body lotion, before you even get out of your house, your body is already feeling dry, then this might be what you need in your routine. It's going to help reset your skin glow. So if you want your fair skin popping and being on another level, girl, go cop this particular one. You're going to love it. Moving on, we have the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Brightening Cream. And this is the Odogu right here. This is an OG for skin brightening. Like any of you that have used this particular body cream is definitely going to understand that this body cream works excellently well on the skin when it comes to skin brightening. It's one of those body creams that you will use and you will not want to use any other body cream. I've recommended this particular body cream to different clients on my one-on-one consultation with them, and all of them really loved it. It's a body cream that you will use. You're not going to have any form of complaint over. It's going to brighten your skin, nourish your skin, and glow your skin. Now, if you're someone with an extremely dry skin, you might want to add a very nice nourishing or moisturizing oil while using the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C cream. And if you really want to get the best results out of it, always apply it on a damp skin. That is exactly when to go in with this body cream, and it's definitely going to blend in and give you the results that you deserve. I personally swear by this Advanced Clinicals. It's one body cream that my sister have been using for many years now. Just pair it with a good body wash and you're good to go. Your fair skin is going to be popping. The glow is going to be enticing, honestly speaking. The next body cream for fair skin I have for you guys is this Dr. Davey Arbutin body lotion. This right here is an amazing body lotion for fair skin. It's going to help brighten, lighten, and glow your complexion. It's a body lotion that when you're consistent with, you're going to get that brighter, glowy skin, and your skin is going to become visibly brighter, fairer, and glowing. So if you want your fair skin to add a bit of radiance, then this particular body cream is for you. It's going to gradually fade your dark spots, your dark patches, and give you a smooth, uniformly toned skin. Just pair it with a good body scrub and a good bathing soap, and you're going to see visible results on your skin. It works gradually, so it doesn't bleach the skin in any way. Moving on, we have this Topicrem MELA Unifying Body Milk. This is another of my favorite body lotions for fair skin. It's dermatologist approved. It's one of the body lotions out there that is going to help maintain your fair skin, enhance your complexion without bleaching your skin. This particular body lotion is not going to bleach, lighten, or darken your skin tone. It's just going to help you maintain your fairness and complexion. It contains different amazing brightening ingredients, and I love the fact that this ingredient also complements with moisturizing and nourishing your skin. It contains amazing ingredients like niacinamide, licorice extract. So if you're looking to have a smooth, beautiful, glowing skin, just get this particular body lotion and your fair skin is definitely going to be glowing. This is one body lotion that I plugged one of my male friends to, and he has been using this particular body cream with no regrets. It's quite expensive, but if you can afford to get this cream, you're going to love it. This is one body lotion that is not going to stress you. You know, when a lot of people apply their body lotion and they start sweating profusely, this particular body lotion is not going to make you sweat. It's a body lotion that is good for every and anyone. If you want to maintain your fair skin and have your fair skin popping, this body lotion is going to help you achieve that. If you pair it with a nice body wash, your skin is going to be everly soft, fresh, beautiful, and glowing. Like, a lot of people will be wondering what you're using on your skin. because your skin is going to look all yummy and nice. So if you want your skin looking inviting, like you want your fair skin screaming luxury, then this is the body lotion for you. It works amazingly well on the skin, and it gradually brightens and tones your complexion. So if you want a uniformly toned skin with no stress, girl, go cop this particular cream. You're not going to have any regrets with this one. The bonus body lotions I have for you guys, in case you cannot afford to get any of these ones, or you can't easily access them, you can get the KOEC Plus Paris body lotion, or this Fair and White body lotion, or this Skeenpoint Glow Booster body lotion. You see any of these three creams I just mentioned, is going to give you that lighter, fairer, beautiful, glowing complexion. They are quite expensive, but the Skin Point one is actually affordable, and it's going to help you brighten, gradually tone, lighten up your skin, and give you that fairer looking complexion. So if your fair skin have gone darker and you really want to revive it or give it a tone, then get this particular Skin Point body lotion, or any of those three. Like, your skin is definitely going to be popping and glowing at the same time. These are safe non-bleaching body lotions for fair skin that will have your fairness on another level. So if you want your fair skin to be fine, go cop any of those body lotions and you're going to love it. It's actually a unisex body lotion, because I know I've been screaming girl on here. So dudes, you can also get this as well. See, all the body lotions I've shown you guys in this video is not going to make you a shade or two shades lighter. They are body lotions that will gradually brighten your skin, tone your skin, even out your fair skin, and give you that fair, beautiful, attractive looking skin tone. With these lotions, you don't have to chase any fast results, because that's how most of you ends up with dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks that will end up ruining your skin. So let me know which of those body lotions you've tried or you want to try. I hope today's video was very helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and don't forget to share this with your friends that you want to have a fair, beautiful, glowing skin. Make sure you tune in for my face cream video for fair skin. Catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.